The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now there's a picture video that is circulating on social media that contains bits and pieces of voice note that is said to be of a man that is the suspect of an incident that had happened in Portland, Jamaica on the 20th of August 2019. This incident is said to be an act of jealousy, and the man is said to be the boyfriend of a 50-year-old woman who was killed before her body was burned as a result of the house set ablaze. Now, I am about to play these bits and pieces of voice note for you viewers and subscribers so that you can hear what's going on and get a better understanding. But bear in mind that these bits and pieces of voice note is claimed to be of the suspect and is in no way intended to mislead you viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, as I'm about to play these bits and pieces of voice notes, I have to warn you that what you are about to hear might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, just let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Me a devil, Shamar. Nothing can haunt me. Me a devil. And that's why she never come take the work or you give her the baby. That's why she go down so because she have her blood clot man down so. That's why she never take her work. Business man. Me want her. Me hear her, me find her man number. Me hear her man I light her up because she call me. Because the man feels that him and her leave me an outsider. And I said to her, I said, go and leave me, and she tell be a lie. And then time all her daughter, I text fear man of her and I said, Mommy can't collect no money for me because Mommy left her papers them on her next man yard. Fuck don't know. Now I that 18.5 years now, 17.5 years me work and mind them pussy there, you know. You know have sense? Your sister if you know if you deal with bad man here. And stop take bad man for fool. She have her man and I tell her to go and leave me alone and she come bout me to come out of the house. Come out of her blood clot and she got 10 of them dead. Me not done away. Still the buff there man. When I talk about one of blood clot sister do. She find her blood clot man and I tell her to go to her man and leave me alone and she tell me say she don't have any man and have me a work and I spend my money same blood. Now I go see her in no breath. Cause when the dopey at the night the dopey raise, when the dopey raise, when the dopey see me, the dopey go run like thief. I just send the bun up picture and some other picture go give her man. I just send them go give him to. Lie I tell you never take no wire from around no neck. Lie that, me no remember that.